Hi everyone! During this pandemic, it's important that we stay safe and protect ourselves and the people around us. One great way to do this is with face masks, which help prevent the spread of germs and viruses. Check out our graphic that shows how much of a difference face masks really make. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make a disposable face mask and a no-sew reusable cloth one. Before you begin making your mask, make sure that you wash your hands thoroughly and clean the surface you're working on. We'll begin with the disposable mask. Here are the supplies you'll need. 2 paper towels which are still connected, a piece of paper, rubber bands, and a stapler. The piece of paper is about 1/4 of a standard 8.5 by 11 inch paper. If you only have thick rubber bands, try cutting the rubber band in half to make 2 thinner rubber bands. Thinner rubber bands will be much more comfortable to wear because they won't tug on your ears as much. Now that you have your supplies, let's begin making it. First, fold the 2 pieces of paper towels on top of each other. Then, fold this into thirds. Unfold this and insert the piece of paper between the 2 paper towels in the middle third section. This acts as an extra filter and helps the mask keep its shape around your face. Close the paper towels back up. Now, fold the top third down and in half. Do the same for the bottom third. It should look like this. Now, flip it over to the back. Fold the edge so that about 1/2 of an inch is folded back. Insert the rubber band into the fold. Tug on it so that it's as close to the fold as possible. Now, flip it over again and staple the fold, making sure that you don't staple the rubber band. You want this flat side to be on the same side as these folds because this side will touch your face. If you don't do this, the sharp ends of the staple might scratch your face. Do the same thing to the other side. It's done! You wear this mask by pulling these flaps open. Your face should go inside here. Make sure the mask covers your nose all the way down to your chin. Let's move on to the cloth mask. This is a super easy mask and takes 60 seconds to make. It doesn't require sewing and is made with common household items. Here are the supplies you'll need. A medium-sized square piece of cloth and 2 rubber bands. If you don't have the cloth, you can try using a pillowcase or cut up an old t-shirt to make it. If you use hair ties instead of rubber bands, it can be more comfortable. Just make sure that the hair ties are stretchy enough to hook around your ears. Now that we have our supplies, let's begin. Lay the cloth down flat. Fold it in half. Then, take the top section and fold it down to the middle, like so. Do the same with the bottom. Now, put your rubber bands on both sides of the cloth. Fold the cloth inwards, tucking one side into the other. That's it! This is a super easy mask that anyone can make. After wearing it in public, make sure to disassemble it and throw the cloth in the washing machine to get rid of any germs that might be on it. Thanks for watching the video! I hope this came in handy. Make sure to check out our videos on how our immune system works and its role in the pandemic. Stay safe and have a great day.